What's going on, Rejuvenation? Johnny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy video. Today, I am going to be cleaning these Jordan 6 British khakis that have definitely been through the desert. For today's video, I am going to be using our Essential kit paired with our dry suede kit. Now, I'm not entirely sure how these are going to clean up, but that's why we do this, so that way you guys can figure it out with us. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. For today's video, we are only going to be cleaning the right shoe, so we're going to put the left one down here. Now, as always, first steps, guys, are going to be remove the laces and insert our adjustable shoe tree. Now that the laces are removed and the shoe tree is inserted into the shoe, I'm going to hit it up with the dry suede kit first. Now, I want to make sure I get off as much dirt as possible because I don't want the water to be super muddy, and hopefully it'll show me exactly where the deep stains are so I know exactly where to hit it with the soft brush. So let's go ahead and take our medium brush and do that now. Yo, they included orange one in here. All right, guys, I am done using the medium brush that's included in the dry suede kit on the entire uppers to get that excess of dirt off. Now I'm gonna move on to using the Suede Eraser that is also included in that kit to get some of these deeper stains off, and then I'll move on to using the Essential kit to really clean up the shoe. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I am done using the Suede Eraser, guys. I'm gonna put that to the side. Go ahead and check out a full 360. Now, I was able to get out a lot of those deep stains and lighten them up. However, the shoe is still dirty to me. So I'm gonna move on to adding some solution into the bowl of water and start cleaning the uppers with the soft bristle brush. Now, because it is suede, you definitely don't wanna oversaturate the material. You wanna make sure you pat it dry just before you clean the shoe. Let me go ahead and show you guys that now. All right, guys, one thing I want to mention as I'm cleaning the entire shoe, the suede is starting to lose its soft texture. Now, because it is long-haired suede, I do risk the chance of it not coming back to its softness. However, I have seen this before, like on the turbo green ones, but I'm confident enough to know that I'll be able to bring back at least some of that texture. So let's go ahead and continue cleaning the entire uppers, and then we'll move on to the midsole. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the entire uppers with the soft brush. It is now time to move on to the midsoles with the medium brush. But before I go ahead and do that, I do want to mention that the right shoe actually had a pair of sole shields on. Now, we wanted to show you guys what it looked like when you wear a sole shield and you don't. So the left one actually doesn't have it on and this right one does. But all you have to do to pull it off, it's real simple. Now, it's not going to fall off just by walking, but it's not super difficult to pull off either. So we're going to go ahead and pull it from the back heel, tear these off, and then we'll get into the midsole cleaning. So there you go, guys. I went ahead and pulled off the sole shield, and as you can see, the outsole on this shoe is still looking brand new. However, it did rip in this small section, which is why you see dirt, but that's typical to happen after you've worn this, for a couple months, or if you overwear the sole shield. But now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the midsole with the medium brush and tackle this small little section with the stiff brush. Let's put this aside and get to cleaning. So there you go, guys. I am done hitting up the entire midsole and outsole. As you can see, they cleaned up really, really easy. Now the last step is to grab our laces, dunk them into the bowl solution in water. Make sure to get them nice and soapy, and then we're gonna rub them in between my hands to clean them up. Now that the laces are clean, guys, the last step is to let these shoes dry for a few hours. So I'll see you guys in just a bit. We are back. I went ahead and let the shoes dry for 24 hours, and as you can see, they definitely cleaned up really, really nice. However, the suede is crunchy, like I mentioned. And we are experiencing a little bit of color loss, but no worries, I will bring that back with some ink oil. But now we have to reset the nap to get it back to its soft texture. So I'm gonna use our dry medium brush to do so. All you have to do is hit it in multiple directions, really let the brush do its thing, and we'll be back to see the end results. We have teamed up with our good friends over at Kicks World to give you guys a chance at winning a pair of Travis 6 British khakis in your size. All you have to do to enter is click the link in the description below and follow 3 easy steps. You must be following Kicks World on Instagram, sign up for Reshoevn8ed's newsletter, and comment your shoe size in the actual widget to be considered an entry. The giveaway ends June 30th. Good luck. Now let's get back in today's video. I am all done resetting the nap on the suede. Now I did mention I was using the medium brush to do so. However, once I was done, I wasn't really happy with the results. So I grabbed our brass brush, which is specifically designed to reset the nap, and went over the entire shoe. Thankfully, it was able to bring back that nice soft texture. And lastly, I finished it off with some ink oil because I did see a little bit of fade. So thankfully the ink oil brought a lot of that color back. Now just to recap, I went ahead and hit the entire shoe using our dry suede kit. Then I went over it with the soft brush, the medium brush for the midsoles, and then that small little section, I hit it with the stiff brush. And then lastly, I finished it off with resetting the nap and hitting the entire shoe with mink oil. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, guys. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.